Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. Today we are diving into a mouth-watering delight that's a joy to create and impossible to resist. Get ready for today's special treat, chocolate cereal balls or chocolate ladoos. Whether you're craving a sweet snack or planning a special treat for your loved ones, this recipe is sure to hit the spot. They are not only delicious but also easy to make, so you can impress your guests or enjoy them as a special homemade treat. So let's put on our aprons and start cooking. To start, I have taken a mix of almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios. Feel free to customize the quantity according to your personal preferences. Next, I'm going to grind them into coarse powder and keep it aside. Moving on, I've taken some cereals. I've opted for the classic cornflakes. I've measured out 3 generous cups of cornflakes and I'm going to grind them into coarse powder and keep it aside. Continuing with our ingredients, I have here with me 1 cup of roughly chopped milk chocolate. I am going to pop it into the microwave for a few seconds till the chocolate melts and softens. Once that's done, I will set it aside to be incorporated into our recipe later on. I have also taken 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate. I'm going to melt this as well and keep it ready for later use. Moving forward, I've got 1 cup of unsalted butter here. I'm going to melt the butter until it becomes a smooth liquid and then set it aside for later use. All our ingredients are ready to hit the stove top. Firstly, I'm going to dry roast the ground mixture of almonds, pistachios and cashew nuts on a very low flame. Stir continuously for about 4 to 5 minutes till the ground mixture is roasted. Next, I'm going to add the coarsely ground cornflakes. I'm not going to roast the cereals, rather just going to warm it a bit on the pan. Stir continuously so that the ingredients do not stick to the pan or burn. Next, I'm going to add the melted butter and continue stirring till you get a lovely crumbly texture. Keep stirring on a low flame. Be patient with the process. We do not want to crank up the flame and speed the process. Let the warmth of the pan and even stirring do its work to combine the butter with the ground mixture. It's time to add the melted chocolate. I'm adding both the melted milk chocolate and the melted semi-sweet chocolate. Mix well so that the chocolate is evenly distributed and well combines with all the ingredients. There's something therapeutic about stirring the chocolate till every tiny bit of cereal granule is well coated with a little bit of chocolatey goodness. Our chocolate and cereal mixture is ready. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. To the mixture, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of date syrup. This is optional, but adding a bit of date syrup complements the chocolate and enhances the flavor of this sweet dish. Mix thoroughly till all the ingredients mingle with each other and are well combined. You can adjust the amount of butter and chocolate as per your taste. The butter and the chocolate are the 2 main ingredients that will help us to get the desired shape of the cereal ball. Take a small portion and give it a gentle squeeze. If it retains its shape and holds together without falling apart, you're good to go. Grease the palm of your hands with a little bit of oil. This will help you to shape the ladoos and also will help you to avoid the mixture from sticking to your hands. Grab a spoonful of mixture and using gentle pressure, mold it into small roundels. The warmth of your hands will not only shape these roundels but also lend them a captivating glossy shine. Repeat this process till you've formed all the mixture into these delightful round shapes. These chocolate cereal balls are incredibly tempting, practically begging to be devoured. However, our culinary adventure is far from over. I'll be placing them in the freezer for a quick 10-minute setting, just enough to let it harden a bit and set. If you're in no rush, you can opt to let them set in the fridge overnight. Personally, I can hardly wait to enjoy these delightful treats. Our delightful munchkins have emerged from the quick frosty visit in the freezer, and they are perfectly set now. You have the option to enjoy them exactly as they are, and I assure you they are irresistibly delicious. But we are going to take it a notch further and add some decorative touches and enhance the flavor while decorating. I've taken some desiccated coconut in a plate. Simply roll these lovely chocolate cereal balls in the coconut and watch them transform into delightful coconut-coated bites of pure indulgence. Here's another way to adorn these delectable creations. Prepare a mixture of cocoa powder and powdered sugar. Just roll each of these treats in this irresistible blend and watch them take on a rich, chocolatey sweetness that's truly irresistible. It's time to showcase our masterpiece on the plate. As you gaze upon the plate, you'll find these little wonders nestled together, each one a unique explosion of flavor and charm. From the rich cocoa-kissed ones, offering an indulgent delight, to the pristine white coconut-dusted treat, whispering of tropical sweetness, and every variation in between. They form a captivating symphony of taste and aesthetics. Together, they create a visual and culinary masterpiece that promises a journey of delight with every bite. These delightful sweet treats are perfect for any occasion, and you need not reserve them for special moments, because they are incredibly easy to make and promise pure satisfaction with every bite. Stay tuned for more recipes coming your way. In the meantime, take care and enjoy cooking. Bye for now.